Tom, wait a minute. Why are you putting on your shoes so fast?
Because I want to go outside and play football with my friends.
That sounds fun, but tell me something first. Did you finish your English homework?
Oh, not really.
Tom.
I know. I have to talk about my daily routine in English.
That's an interesting topic. Talking about your daily routine is very useful.
Yes, but I don't know what to say.
Don't worry, we can do it together before you go outside.
Really? Thank you, Mom.
Of course. So your homework is to talk about your daily routine in English, right?
Yes, I have to speak in front of the class tomorrow.
That's great practice.
I'm a little nervous.
That's normal. We'll make it easy and clear.
Okay.
But before we start, I think we forgot something.
Oh yes, we have friends watching us.
That's right.
If you like learning English with simple conversations like this, please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson.
You can also like this video.
And share it with a friend, your brother, your sister, or anyone who wants to practice English.
Thank you so much.
All right, Tom, let's begin. Tell me something simple. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Good. Can you say that all together like a small story?
Okay. I wake up. I brush my teeth. And I eat breakfast.
Very nice. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
And what do you do after you wake up?
I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
You can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock, then I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
Great. And after that?
I brush my teeth and get dressed.
Good. What do you wear for school?
I wear my school uniform.
Nice detail. And breakfast.
I eat breakfast with you and Dad.
That's true. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I drink milk.
Perfect. Now tell me your morning again from when you wake up.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I go to the bathroom and wash my face. After that, I brush my teeth and get dressed. I wear my school uniform. Then I eat breakfast with my mom and dad. I usually eat bread and eggs, and sometimes I drink milk.
That sounds very clear. What happens after breakfast?
I go to school.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Who is with you?
My friend Sam is with me.
So you can add that.
After breakfast, I go to school by bus with my friend Sam.
Excellent. What time does school start?
School starts at 8 o'clock.
And what do you do at school?
I study. I have English, math, and science.
Can you say it in one sentence?
At school, I study different subjects, like English, math, and science.
Very good. What do you do during the break?
I play with my friends.
What do you play?
We play football, or we talk.
That sounds fun.
Yes, but sometimes I just eat snacks.
Only sometimes?
Okay, maybe every day.
I thought so.
I get hungry.
That's fine. So tell me your day from the beginning until school break.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I go to the bathroom and wash my face. After that, I brush my teeth and get dressed. I wear my school uniform. Then I eat breakfast with my mom and dad. I usually eat bread and eggs, and sometimes I drink milk. After breakfast, I go to school by bus with my friend Sam. School starts at 8 o'clock. At school, I study different subjects, like English, math, and science. During the break, I play football with my friends, and sometimes I eat snacks.
Very good, Tom. What happens after school?
I go home at 3 o'clock.
How do you feel when you get home?
I feel tired.
That's normal. And what do you do when you arrive home?
I take off my shoes and wash my hands.
Good habit.
Then I eat lunch.
Who prepares lunch?
You do.
Yes, I do.
Thank you for the food, by the way.
You're welcome.
After lunch, I rest for a short time.
What do you do when you rest?
I watch TV or I lie on the sofa.
Do you sleep?
Sometimes. Only for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Okay, maybe 20.
I knew it.
But it helps me.
I'm sure it does. What do you do after you rest?
I do my homework.
Good answer.
Then I play outside with my friends.
Like today?
Yes, like today.
Now tell me everything from the morning until the afternoon.
Well, I wake up at 7 o'clock and go to the bathroom to wash my face. Then I brush my teeth and get dressed in my school uniform. I eat breakfast with my mom and dad. I usually eat bread and eggs and sometimes drink milk. After breakfast, I go to school by bus with my friend Sam. School starts at 8 o'clock. At school, I study subjects like English, math, and science. During the break, I play football with my friends and eat snacks. I go home at 3 o'clock. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes and wash my hands. Then I eat lunch. After lunch, I rest for a short time and sometimes watch TV. Then I do my homework and play outside with my friends.
That is very smooth. Now, what do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I come back home before dinner.
And then?
I hope you set the table.
That's very kind of you.
Sometimes I forget.
Yes, sometimes you do.
But today, I will not forget.
We will see.
After that, we eat dinner together.
What do we usually do during dinner?
We talk about our day.
Exactly.
After dinner, I take a shower.
And then?
I put on my pajamas.
Good.
Then I brush my teeth again.
Very important.
And I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Do you do anything before sleeping?
Yes, I read a book.
What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure stories.
Nice. Now let me hear your whole routine from when you wake up until you go to bed.
Okay. I wake up at 7 o'clock and go to the bathroom to wash my face. Then I brush my teeth and get dressed in my school uniform. I eat breakfast with my mom and dad. I usually eat bread and eggs and sometimes drink milk. After breakfast, I go to school by bus with my friend Sam. School starts at 8 o'clock. At school, I study subjects like English, math, and science. During the break, I play football with my friends and eat snacks. I go home at 3 o'clock. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes and wash my hands. Then I eat lunch. After lunch, I rest for a short time and sometimes watch TV. Then I do my homework and play outside with my friends. In the evening, I come back home and help my mom set the table. We eat dinner together and talk about our day. After dinner, I take a shower and put on my pajamas. I brush my teeth again and go to bed at 9 o'clock. Before sleeping, I read an adventure book.
That was excellent, Tom. It sounds clear and natural.
Really?
Yes, really. So after all that, what makes your day special?
I think my day is special because I spend time with my family and my friends.
That's beautiful. Can you say that again in 2 simple sentences to finish your homework?
My daily routine is busy but nice. I spend time with my family at home and with my friends at school, and that makes my day special.
That's wonderful. You can also say that your routine helps you learn, play, and grow every day.
My daily routine is busy but nice. I spend time with my family at home and with my friends at school. It helps me learn, play, and grow every day.
I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. Now can I go play football?
Yes, you can. You worked very well.
Yes, thank you.
And to everyone watching, keep practicing a little every day.
Talking about your daily routine is a great way to improve your English.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like the video
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell.
and share it with someone who wants to practice English too.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and take care.
Bye.